Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a savings account on Natwest, and this is actually very easy. You can either do it by heading over to their official branch, but if you want to do it online, you just need to head over to Google and search for Natwest savings account, and then the first option that comes up, you're going to click on that website. Now let's say you want an instant access, so we're going to click on this one. Then we have an instant saver, savings builder, premium saver. Let's say that you are more on instant saver, so you click on that one. After that, we're going to click on apply, just like that. So you can apply if you're 18 plus, you have to be a resident in the Channel Islands, Islands of Man or Gibraltar, and you have to be an existing customer with us if you're a resident in this place. So what you're going to do is also review all of this information, blah blah blah. So now we click on continue. So let's say I'm over here, and then we click on next. And then do you already, if you have it, then say yes, or if you don't, then no. But I'm going to click on yes. Make sure you put in your details, not my details. So if so, we will pre-fill. So let's say yes, and then we click on next. And then you want maybe a sole account, click on next, and then click on start your application. From there, it's going to bring you to a form page where you have to fill out everything, and once you've done, click submit and continue, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.